here tonight, and they are working hard getting the cat tunnel up, and they are doing this on their own. I've been busy. What are you doing, Hannah?
Putting a string on it.
Now, what'd you say? Oh, you're putting the center webbing on to firm it all up and tie it together? Oh, that's what you're doing. Looking good. The center purlin web, it kind of ties all the standards together. And the end walls up here are braced. We got some diagonal braces on the end here. You can see the diagonal there. So that makes the end rigid, and then the webbing purlin that these guys are putting on kind of ties it all together. We're about 115 feet long, 14 feet wide, getting the row cover down on the Caterpillar tunnel. And this is a new run. We've got two that we're using from last year. And then we putting a new one down on this here. But we've got a template here for different size variations. You can see we're only hitting 4 holes. And me and my sidekick, this is how we're putting the holes in the plastic weave ground cover. So I made this handy little device with an old broken handle and a coffee can. We heat this up and then we can just punch down through the plastic. But this is how it works. We take the flame meter. Go. The good thing about that, using the heat, it seals up the plastic so it doesn't ravel, and makes pretty good quick work out of putting holes in the plastic. Just washing down the Caterpillar tunnel, we just had it rolled up and it's kind of muddy. This is the outside. We already kind of cleaned off the inside. But we're just getting ready to install the skin on the cat tunnel this afternoon. So we're just getting it washed up here. Trying to get the plastic on the Caterpillar tunnel tonight. And I don't have enough hands to video and watch us do it, but we got 4 people here. And we're trying to pull it over from the one side to the other, and it's coming along. But if it was easy, everybody would do it. Right, Helen?
Yes.
Ruben, what are you doing?
Putting the rope over the high tunnel to hold it down.
It's actually a Caterpillar tunnel.
All right, Caterpillar.
It's kind of like a high tunnel, but it's movable. So we throw the rope over the top to our partners over there, and they tell you when they got it.
They're supposed to.
I don't hear them.
I don't know if they have it.
You're like 2 inches too short. I got it. Go pull.
You got it?
Yeah.
Hook it on over there. Ruben's gonna hook it on over here. What clip are you hooking it onto there, Ruben? You got a clip there, anchored down. go every other one, and then we do this. We go back and do the same thing.